here you see like a real farm, like the way how it is, no makeup, just straight. And he wants you to take home like all the effort behind coffee. Like, dude, there's so much to do here on the farm. It's crazy.
Queremos seguir acá, vamos a hacer cambios. Hay que estar con las manos fuertes a toda hora. Es duro el trabajo.
I come to this bootcamp with no expectations, and I learned so much about coffee. And we as coffee professionals, we work in a business, we have to make money, but it's more about, not all about money. We have a cafe or a roastery, we bring people together, we talk together, and we need to learn so much more about coffee.
Very inspiring to see all of the effort that goes in. Like, how lucky are we to be able to consume coffee given all of the things that are going on? I think that's kind of mind-blowing. We just think of it, you ordered some coffee, it turns up on your door, you roast some coffee, everything's great. There's so much more to it. It was amazing. It was total immersion, like coffee all the time, everywhere. But not just coffee, actually, and especially like this. But also, if you were an individual, someone who was at home getting really, really into coffee, and you wanted to see where coffee comes from, the people involved, how all of that processing happens, and to really appreciate coffee on a deeper level, I think those people would have an amazing time.
The bootcamp was mera cuca. Gracias.
Bootcamp 2025. Finish.
Mera cuca.